The climb in U.S. military spending is a key factor contributing to the country's rising debt ceiling, a former specialist with the World Bank Group said in an interview with Xinhua on Friday, referring to the last week's U.S. Congress bill to raise America's debt ceiling for the 103rd time since 1945.
Why are they raising the limits on their spending? They are fighting more wars, so they need to spend more money on these wars. So it's usually the cycle is go, war, multi-country war, and then US comes and spends. In that spending cycle, which we last saw in Afghanistan, I think you can easily see that actually 80% of the money the US spent at the federal level went back into private pockets in the US. And US is one of the few countries where research in defense and defense production is pretty much privatized.
U.S. President Joe Biden signed the Fiscal Responsibility Act of 2023 into law on June the 3rd to avoid a historic default on government debt. For nearly half a century, the United States has been spending beyond its means, leading to continuous accumulation and expansion of federal debt. Many financial resources have been wasted only to please some special interest group. Military spending accounts for the lion's share. Data from a recent report by Statista, a market research firm, show that U.S. military spending has continued to climb since 2015, reaching more than $800 billion in 2023. That figure is expected to rise to about $998 billion by 2032.